Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some skincare tips and tricks for the summer season. Now the summers have officially begun and it's so hot here in Mumbai, and whenever the summers kick in, they bring so many problems for my skin, from dull skin to excessive oiliness, whiteheads, blackheads, acne, excessive sweating, etc. And it's a very hard time for my skin basically. So I follow this particular skincare routine in the same order, using very similar kind of products which actually suit my skin, in order to keep all of these problems at bay and to ensure that my skin keeps looking radiant, clear and glowing. So the routine goes as follows. The first thing that I use in the morning is a face wash, followed by a face mask, then a face mist, a moisturizer and then a sunscreen. Now I don't use a face mask every single day, but I do use it once in every 3 to 4 days, but the other steps I follow every single day. So I'm going to take you through the entire routine. So starting off with the face wash, if you have the problem of whiteheads, blackheads, acne, pimples, etc., then you want to use a face wash which clarifies your pores, which deep cleanses your pores and removes all the acne causing bacteria. So you want to look for ingredients that deeply cleanse your skin, like charcoal, apple cider vinegar, neem, etc. So currently I've been using this Mamaearth apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. This contains apple cider vinegar and aloe vera gel. This face wash foams up really well, and the silicone brush technology just helps in cleansing your skin even better. It removes all of the acne causing bacteria from your pores, deeply cleanses your pores and leaves your skin squeaky clean. At the same time, due to the aloe vera water in this, it prevents drying of your skin. The aloe vera water helps in hydrating your skin. So your skin will feel clean and hydrated at the same time, and it's not gonna feel dry at all after you use this face wash. Now if you don't have the problem of pimples, whiteheads and blackheads, and if your skin just becomes a little dull during the summer season, then you can also try out this Mamaearth Upton foaming face wash. This helps in brightening up your skin and providing an instant radiance on your skin. It contains turmeric and saffron, which also helps to remove sun tanning from your skin. Now after washing my face with a face wash, I use a face mask. The one that I've been using currently is by the Derma Co. This is their salicylic acid face mask. This contains 2% salicylic acid and it's perfect for acne prone skin. It helps to remove all of the acne causing bacteria, thereby getting rid of your current acne and preventing any further acne on your skin. It also contains activated charcoal, which helps to deeply cleanse your pores, and it also contains kaolin clay, which helps to clarify your skin and prevent excessive oiliness on your skin. I've been using this face mask twice a week for the past few days now, and my acne situation is quite under control. I'm not getting any kind of frequent acne on my skin, and my skin is pretty much clear ever since I'm using this face mask. So if you have acne prone skin, you must try this one. Apart from this, you can also try out Mamaearth C3 face mask. I think that is hands down the best face mask for the summer season. It contains charcoal, coffee and clay, which all help to clarify your skin, deeply cleanse your pores, control the excessive oiliness and just make your skin super duper clean and radiant. So you can definitely try out that. It's amazing for summer. Now the third step that I follow after using the face mask is to spray some mist on my skin to bring back all of the hydration on my skin. So I use this DIY rose water. I made this one at home. It's actually very easy to DIY rose water at home. I'm gonna leave a few recipes in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. So after you make your DIY rose water, or even if you get it from outside, the ready-made rose water, make sure that you refrigerate it for some extra boost of coolness, some extra soothing effect on your skin. So after using the face pack, I just like to spray this all over my face. It refreshes me up instantly. It brings back all of the hydration on my skin and it just soothes and calms my skin down. Apart from using the rose water spray, you can also use an aloe vera ice cube on your skin, and all you need for this is a little bit of aloe vera gel. Just freeze it in a bowl or in an ice tray, and after it's frozen completely, after it forms an ice cube, just apply it all over your skin and massage it really well. It's going to provide an instant refreshing, cooling effect on your skin. It's going to soothe your skin, calm it down. It's going to help with sunburns if you have any, and it has a very therapeutic effect on your skin, especially in the hot summers. It just cools your skin down so well. So that is another thing that you can do. The fourth step is to use a moisturizer on your skin. Now in case if you used aloe vera gel ice cube in the third step, then you can skip the moisturization part because you've already moisturized your skin with the aloe vera gel. But in case if you use the rose water spray, then you can apply a moisturizer. You want to go for something that's either gel based, water based, or something that is oil free. So basically a very lightweight moisturizer is gonna do the job for the summer season. I love using this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes. This acts as a moisturizer and also an acne marks treatment cream for me. As you can see, I don't have any current acne on my skin, but I do have a lot of acne marks. And this helps me to lighten those acne marks and to fade them away very quickly. So that's the reason why I use this on my face. It's very lightweight and it gets absorbed into my skin in absolutely no time. After moisturization, the fifth and the last step in the skincare routine is to apply a sunscreen on your skin. Now you want to go for something that's either very lightweight or in a gel-like consistency, or a matte sunscreen. You don't want to go for a cream-based sunscreen or a hydrating sunscreen because whenever you apply a sunscreen, you will notice that you sweat a lot. And by applying a heavy-duty sunscreen, it's only going to make the situation worse. So make sure that you go for a very lightweight product, something that's not going to make you sweat as much. So I have two options with me. The first one is this Mamaearth Hydra Gel Indian Sunscreen. This one is in a gel-like consistency and it's very lightweight. It's perfect for the summertime. And the second sunscreen that I have is this Dermaco Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. So the Mamaearth one contains SPF 50 PA++, and the Dermaco sunscreen contains SPF 60 PA++, which both have really good amount of sun protection. So you can try either of the two. A little skincare hack that I want to give you guys here is that whenever you apply a sunscreen, after application just wait for about 10 minutes and then powder your face using a loose powder. This is going to prevent the sunscreen from becoming too oily, too greasy, or from sweating on your skin. So those are the 5 skincare steps that I follow in the exact same manner every single day, and they've been helping me keep my acne situation at bay. They've been helping me keep my skin clear. And as you guys already know that I have extremely acne prone skin and summers are a very hard time for my skin. In spite of that, my skin is pretty clear so far. I do not have any acne or pimples going on my skin currently. And yeah, it's only because of the same skincare routine that I've been following for quite a few days ever since the summers began. So I highly recommend, in case if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, then you can follow a routine like this. Use similar kind of products or maybe the same products too. And by following a routine like this consistently, it's going to help in clearing out your acne and in achieving clear skin. So make sure that you start following a routine like this. It's been working out really well for my skin. And also all of the products that I use in this routine are free from harmful chemicals like parabens, silicone, mineral oil, and they're infused with a lot of natural plant-derived ingredients. And apart from that, all of the products are cruelty-free. And in fact, Mamaearth has been officially given the Beauty Without Bunnies and Cruelty-Free certificate by PETA, which means that they do not harm any animals while formulating their products. So in case if you want to purchase any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, all of the links are given in the description box below, along with my coupon codes. For Mamaearth, I have this coupon code called RIA2021. If you use it, you'll achieve a 20% off on Mamaearth's website. Apart from that, you'll also get their products from Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. But if you shop from Mamaearth's website, along with the 20% off on my coupon code, you'll also be doing a lot of good to the environment, because every single time that you place an order on Mamaearth's website, they link your order to a tree that they plant, and by 2025, they're going to be planting more than 1 million trees. That's their initiative. So that's how much they are doing for the environment. Mamaearth is a very environment friendly brand, so I highly recommend you shop for their products directly from their website. I also have a coupon code for Dermaco, which is mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, with that I come to an end of today's video. That was my skincare routine, my daytime skincare routine for the summer season, and it's been helping my skin a lot in preventing acne and in also keeping my skin clear. So in case if you end up trying out this routine or any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, then let me know in the comments below how it works out for you. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon so that you're notified every single time that I post a new video, because there are a lot of summer related videos coming up. So stay tuned for that on my channel. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.